Minasan konnichiwa, watashi wa Abby desu. Hey guys, it's the Kawaii Twin. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this super cute and simple makeup look inspired by Lisa from BLACKPINK. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. I've been wanting to do a makeup look inspired by Lisa for the longest time now, and when I came across this picture over on Pinterest, I knew I had to recreate this look. I believe this is a fan edit. It's supposed to be Lisa and her like yearbook picture, although I know it's not her actual yearbook picture, but I absolutely loved her outfit. Makeup look is so simple and very natural, so if you guys are looking for an everyday natural makeup look, maybe a look for school, if you guys are complete beginners at makeup, then this makeup look is for you. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So for this makeup look, I decided to start off by doing my eyebrows. So I am using the color Chocolate Dipped from the eyeshadow palette Just Peachy Mattes. I feel like this color is perfect for me just because my hair color is black, so I wanted a strong kind of dark color but not that dark. And I'm using this light brush just to make sure that my eyebrows aren't that dark. As you guys can see here, Lisa's eyebrows, it's kind of hard to see, but they're not that strong. I know most Korean aesthetic like makeup styles, the eyebrows aren't that dark, so I wanted to make sure they were a little bit light. Now as for my eyeshadow, I decided to use the color Peach Tea and Peach Meringue and kind of mix the two together just to sort of make a lighter tone color. But you can use any sort of like light brown color. I'm just using this to create a little bit of depth in my eye. As you guys can see here, Lisa's makeup look is very simple, so I didn't want to add that much makeup. I wanted to make sure that it was still very natural. As for the actual eyelid, I'm using the color Peach Butter. It's a very nice, light, almost, it's got kind of like these pink undertones. So I felt like it worked really well for this look. It is a very simple, neutral color, and I feel like it works really well for this natural look that I was going for, just because Lisa's makeup, as you guys can see here, is so natural. She doesn't really have much color. If I were to use color, maybe I would go with a very light, super light peach color, maybe like peaches and cream, and mix it with peach butter. But I felt like this worked much better using something very light. Now there are two different options you guys can do for the eyeliner. If you guys want to get closer to what Lisa had in this picture, then maybe go for a very thin wing. I decided to do the wing towards the end, so not even applied on the actual like eye, just kind of just at the end. And then this is my personal preference. I like to do my eyeliner like this just because I feel like it looks better for me, for my eye shape. And personally for me, I like more of a thicker wing, and I just did that towards the end. And then here I am just using some mascara. Now like I said, this is the eyeliner that's a little bit closer to what Lisa had in the picture, so you guys can definitely do something like that, do a smaller wing to create an even more natural look. And I'm using this Air Volume Mega Mascara that I absolutely love. I feel like it really makes my eyelashes pop, and it makes my eyes look a lot bigger, which is definitely what I'm going for. I like to go more with that cutesy look. I definitely wanted this makeup look to have a little bit more of my twist to it, just because I do like the more cutesy big eye look. But you guys are more than welcome to use any sort of mascara that you'd like. Now as for blush, I am using a very light color. I'm using the color Peaches and Cream. As for my lips, I decided to outline them with the color Bed Rose. This is a like lip liner from the brand NYX, and I just felt like this color would be perfect. It is a very kind of light pinkish tone color, so I felt like it would work really well for this look. Now I'm applying my favorite lipstick. This is called Taffy, and I think it's so cute. You guys have probably seen this lip color in lots of my makeup videos because I'm just obsessed with it, but I just feel like it's a really nice neutral color. Then I decided to add over Butter Gloss. This is a very popular NYX lip gloss, and I felt like it would work really well for this look just because they made the lip color a little bit lighter, and it's very similar to what Lisa has. And with that, you are done with the look. I absolutely love the way the makeup look turned out. It's really natural. There's not a lot of things going on here. It's a very sort of peach tone makeup, and I feel like it turned out very similar to what Lisa had in the picture. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like me to do another video of another K-pop idol maybe, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I love doing makeup. I love doing Korean style makeup with my own little twist to it. And yeah, I'm just really satisfied with this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I'm really happy to see that this family is growing, so thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!